Hey everyone, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Speak Better Journey, where we explore real English, real culture, and real fun.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Otherwise, Mike will cry, and nobody wants to see that.
She's right. It's not pretty. Okay, today's topic, things that are trending right now in America. Let's start with this one. Fantasy football leagues. People are obsessed. Every guy I know is suddenly a sports analyst with a PhD in predicting games.
And every woman I know is annoyed because their boyfriend keeps checking player stats instead of answering texts.
Hey, it's research.
Sure. Research.
Another trend, pickle-flavored everything. Pickle chips, pickle soda, pickle popcorn.
I even saw pickle cotton candy last week. Why?
Don't judge. Pickle is the new pumpkin spice.
Americans be like, does it taste weird? Let's sell it.
Exactly. And people buy it because it's trendy, not because it's good.
Also, AI tools are trending everywhere. Students use AI to write essays, companies use AI to write emails.
And now we're using AI to talk about AI inside a podcast for an AI-trained English channel. I think we just opened a paradox.
That's deep.
Stick around. There's a lot more fun coming.
All right, Mike, let's talk food trends. Americans love trying weird foods these days.
Oh yes, like oat milk lattes. Suddenly everyone's a barista at home.
And vegan everything. Vegan burgers, vegan ice cream, vegan cheese. It's like, are we still eating cheese or just pretending?
Pretending, definitely pretending. But I'll admit, some of it is actually good.
Also, sourdough bread. Remember last year, everyone was baking sourdough during quarantine? Some people even named their starter Bob.
Bob the starter. Iconic. I want to meet Bob.
You'd probably talk to it too.
True. Moving on, fitness trends. People love weird workouts now. Spin classes, aerial yoga, goat yoga.
Goat yoga? Seriously?
Yes, you do yoga while tiny goats walk on you. It's, trending.
Only in America. Only.
And don't forget TikTok dances. Suddenly everyone's a dancer, from teens to your neighbor with a lawnmower.
Honestly, I tried one once, tripped, spilled coffee, nearly broke a vase. Not trendy in my house.
Yeah, some trends are fun to watch from a safe distance.
Exactly. Watch, enjoy, don't break stuff.
Stick with us, because in the next part, we're talking fashion trends and tech craziness.
Welcome back. Now, let's talk fashion trends. Emily, what's hot right now?
Oh, lots of comfy stuff. Oversized hoodies, baggy pants, and sneakers everywhere. Basically, look like you just rolled out of bed, but make it fashion.
Yeah, Americans love being casually stylish. Even pajamas are becoming acceptable streetwear.
I saw someone at the coffee shop wearing fuzzy slippers. Outside. And honestly, they looked amazing.
Slippers, the ultimate power move.
Also, retro sunglasses are trending. Big, colorful, almost cartoonish. People want to feel like they're in a 90s music video.
Speaking of the 90s, bucket hats are back too. Yes, the thing your dad wore on vacation is now fashionable.
And let's not forget tech trends. Smart home devices, AI assistants, and even VR games are everywhere.
Right. People now have virtual reality gyms. You can fight zombies while getting abs.
I tried that. My cat was not impressed.
Classic. And also, podcasts and YouTube learning are huge. That's why you're watching us, learning English, trends, and laughing a little.
Exactly. It's fun, easy to follow, and you can repeat what we say. Next time, we'll finish with crazy gadgets, hobbies, and lifestyle trends. Stick around, the finale is going to be wild. Welcome to the final part. Let's talk crazy gadgets and lifestyle trends.
First up, smartwatches. Not just telling time anymore. They track your heart, sleep, steps, and even your mood.
Mood? My watch can't even track my coffee intake accurately.
It's smart, but not that smart.
Next trend, DIY hobbies. People are making candles, knitting, painting, even pottery. YouTube and TikTok tutorials everywhere.
Yes, quarantine made us all artists, or at least we try.
Also, electric scooters and bikes are super trendy in cities. People love saving time while almost crashing into pedestrians.
Safety first, maybe.
And don't forget sustainable living. Reusable straws, zero-waste products, eco-friendly everything. It's not just a trend. People really care now.
Exactly, and that's the beauty. Trends can be fun, crazy, and sometimes helpful too.
So what's the takeaway? Watch trends, enjoy the fun stuff, try new things, but don't take yourself too seriously.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Better Journey. Hit the bell, join us for more English, culture, and laughs.
Yes, comment below your favorite trend or the weirdest one you've tried. We love reading your stories.
Thanks for hanging out. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep trending, but safely.